The available MyHyundai with Bluelink app gives you the ability to control many aspects and features of your Hyundai. To use it, you must have a vehicle equipped with Bluelink, have an active Hyundai Bluelink account, and have the MyHyundai with Bluelink app installed on your smartphone. Once installed, open the app and log into your Bluelink account. The home screen of your vehicle will show the fuel level and the approximate range of the vehicle on that level of fuel. Select Vehicle Status, and you can check on other vehicle states, such as whether the doors are locked, the trunk is closed, fluid levels, and other items. You can also instantly refresh the information by pulling down on the screen, either here or on the home screen. The home screen offers many different available commands. You can choose to show your vehicle location on a map. You can also select flash horn and lights to help you locate it. You can remotely lock or unlock your vehicle. You can start your vehicle and set whether you want climate control to operate and at which temperature. You can also set how long the engine will operate. Set the front and rear defrosters to operate. Set the steering wheel heater to on if equipped. And set the seats to warm or cool if available. If your vehicle has the Valet Mode feature, you can turn it on and access information on it on the app as well. See the Valet Mode video for more information on this feature. Models with Digital Key and Digital Key Premium can create, send, and remove digital keys. See the Digital Key video for your smartphone model for more information on this feature. You can access vehicle safeguard alerts, turn them on or off, and adjust their settings. The settings include Speed Alert, Valet Alert, Curfew Alert, and Geofence Alert. You should know that for remote climate start using Bluelink to work, the vehicle must have been started using the ignition within the last 4 days. It must also have all doors, hood, and trunk or liftgate closed and locked. And the vehicle must be in park. Also, you should not use remote start if the vehicle is in an enclosed garage or other small enclosed area. You can also choose to have the app notify you when you leave your door unlocked or windows open, when safeguard settings are breached, and many other areas. Select Menu, then Settings. Here you can turn on push notifications and also adjust your notification preferences. For more information on Bluelink in your Hyundai, be sure to consult your owner's manual, available at MyHyundai, or the user's manual, accessible via the touchscreen. And be sure to visit HyundaiHowTos.com, MyHyundai, and the Hyundai USA YouTube channel for more helpful videos for your Hyundai.